The journal, the bearing went bad. It's on a embossing roll. It's like what puts the print on your toilet paper and your paper towels. And the bearing got so hot that it started a fire. So we're going to turn it down, weld it up, put it in the Pariba, and make it all better again. Alright. Got it up in there. This end seems to be okay. Put the steady rest up. You know, you put that much heat in the journal and we're going to have to weld on it. Even though the center looks pretty good, the chances of this thing running true when it's all said and done with, you know, who knows. So may have to recut the center for final machining. Hope not, but I'm planning for it anyway. Yep, that's the way we like it right there. That's the way we like it. Alright, well, Zen's running good for now. You can see it got pretty messed up. We're going to have to fix all of this area here. The seal area, going to leave the thread alone. Clean this up. Have it back to them tomorrow. Alright, got it all skint down for welding. Here we go. Don't you just love it when things are going good? All right, welder's getting it done. The seal area worked up, bearing area worked up. Cool off. In the morning, we'll machine it. Everybody will be happy. All right. Everything welded up. Seal area, bearing area, thread's not in bad shape. Drive part of it's not in bad shape. Should be out of here by lunchtime. Alright. All machined, cleaned up. Back to spec. On its way back to the customer. Everybody's going to be happy. I'm going to be happy. It's Friday. So, that's a wrap.